cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take it back. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Back. Forward. Back. I think that's a salsa turn. Right? Is that salsa? Sure. And then other side. Left. Back. Turn. And then after that, we're gonna step to the side, tap out, step to the other side, tap out, and then you're gonna go boom, 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 boom. Move again. Tap, back, tap, and then back. Boom, boom, boom. And then it does this part again, the girls part. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Yep. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you just repeat. Boom, 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 boom. And then again. And then there's this part, right? It goes boom, 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 boom. 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's pretty much the whole song. Well, there's this move too. So you're gonna go here, click, here, click, and then however you want to move your body. If you just want to go like that, that's fine too. 2, 3, 4. If you really get into it, boom. Boom. That's it. That's the whole